Hello, my dear children. Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is Introduction to Python. This is the module 1 of that chapter. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about few features of Python, its shortcomings, how to install, how to write programs and all. My dear children, have you heard about Python? It is a programming language. Its name is derived from famous BBC comedy show, namely Monty Python's Flying Circus. In this module, we are going to discuss about features of Python, installation of Python, writing scripts. What do you mean by scripts? Scripts are nothing but programs. Programs are collection of instructions given by the programmer to the compiler. Then we need to discuss storing of scripts, that is saving of a programming or program, and execution of programs. My dear children, Python was created by Guido van Rossum. The language was released in February 1991. Python got its name from a BBC comedy series from 70s. That is Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python can be used to follow both procedural approach, that is using functions, and object-oriented approach of programming like class, object, etc., which is very similar to C++. It is free to use. That means it can be easily downloaded from internet. Python is based on or influenced with the two programming languages, that are ABC language and Modula 3. The variety of usages are the applications or for which are all purpose we can use a Python programming. Python is being used in many diverse fields or applications, some of which are scripting, that is writing programmings, or web applications. If you want to create web page, website or a portal, we can use Python either in the client side or in the server side. Python can be used for games development, or it can be used for system administrations. That means for operating system administrations. Or it can be used for rapid prototyping. That means using Python we can create software tools like calculators, antiviruses, etc. GUI programming, GUI, its expansion is graphical user interface. That means while we are developing a software, it is composed of many buttons, checkboxes, radio buttons, combo boxes, etc. So it is very user friendly. Then Python can also be used in database applications. That means storing of information. Using a database, informations like student details, teachers details, doctors details, or employee details, for a product detail, we have to use database. Python can be also connected with the database applications like MySQL. My dear children, I had given a few introduction points about Python. Thank you.